This is Chad and Dalton at Coyote Classics, and today we're checking out a super rare, really badass 1961 Olds Cutlass.
F-85.
There you go.
All right, I got kind of a little special story. I went to buy about 4 or 5 cars from this guy, and he sent me some pictures of this Cutlass F-85, and I was intrigued by it, but it's one of those cars you have to see it in person. And as soon as I walked in, I kind of walked around it, the wheels, the look, the stance, and I just absolutely fell in love with it. And I'm like, dude, I've got to have this one.
While we're looking at it, why don't you show them an alternative stance this thing can have? It's got 4, independent air ride suspension. You can drop her down low, raise her up high.
I think the seller, John, kind of suckered me into it because he had this thing already slammed.
I mean,
I didn't stand a chance when I walked in to buy this car. He completely had me sold.
And this is kind of drive height with it, where it rides the best. But when you turn the key on and hit the buttons and drop this thing down, it's beautiful.
Hey, big dog, the keys are in the trunk, though.
We might need them. But this car was also previously owned by Boyd Coddington, which is just a really neat little fact about it. And it also won, before it was changed, the wheels were changed and the air ride was put on it. It won a National Antique Auto Award. Just kind of tells you a lot about the quality. But
68,799 original miles and original interior. I'll show you later, but as we move the seat back and stuff, you can see that the seats are all original in behind here. Can you get that, D?
Yeah, I got it.
See how that is?
Yeah, we'll get a little closer look here too. But yeah, it's just a fantastic car, an original V8 car, which you hardly ever see these, and if you do, majority of them are factory 6-cylinder cars. This is a original V8 car. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's badass. The stance and wheels, tires have been altered, but nothing was done to this car that you couldn't easily change it back to all stock if you wanted to. Still like correct exhaust, correct under the hood. No one went crazy with it. Original interior.
Listen to how it runs too. I won't let it run too long in here, but runs absolutely beautiful. Factory V8, ultra high compression, 4-barrel, right?
It runs like a top.
Yeah, factory 4-barrel.
Yep. Yeah, they said they called this the ultra high compression, V8, and then you got the 4-barrel.
How about power steering? And just look at the original paint inside the trunk, original paint underneath the hood. So that is the original color. It's been repainted once, and you can see they just masked it off right here at the top side. This original here. Oh, Murph. And did a great job on the paint job too. Done quite a few years ago, but obviously good enough to win a national award, huh?
Yeah, beautiful car. Now we really got to get low to look at the grill. Now you drop it down.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I can lift it up. But
it's perfect. I like it just like
that. The grill is just stunning. I mean, it.
How about Oldsmobile? The emblem right there. That's really neat too.
And one thing you asked, I kind of mentioned this before, this car can sit in my showroom as long as it wants, man. This is a conversation piece.
That's beautiful.
Seriously, everyone that comes in, they're like, what the hell is that? I'm like, you know what? It's a 1961 Olds Cutlass F-85.
Yeah. Very, very sharp.
As we go around it, the Billit Specialty wheels are sick. It's got 225 40 18s on the front. Chrome and stainless is original and really in excellent shape for being 50 years old.
I like the blue with the white vinyl top.
It is a little
really
tougher. You just want to turn the key on and jack it up a little bit. It's easier for us to go around it. I was kind of running them both at about 55, 60, Dalt. I like that it's individual airbags as well. There you go. That's good.
So with the, here, while I have it in my hand, so here's your controller for the air ride. So
your hand's kind of covering it.
yeah, I got a big old hand. So this is the front up here. The middle button controls both of them at the same time. And then the right side, left side, same thing with the back.
What's the middle here, dude? Just it goes up all at the same time.
I think
maybe?
this is. I haven't figured that out yet. Maybe it's nothing, but this one, once the air compressor fills up, then you can use the middle button to raise both sides at the same time, or if you just want to go left, right.
You turn the key on, and then I think the middle one does do it all at once. See, it does it all at once, like balanced.
Hey, thanks for showing me that.
That's what fathers do, man. All right, that's good.
I just kind of want to sit here and play with it a little bit.
It's super cool. As far as the as Dalton gets out here, hood sticks up just a tiny, tiny little bit there. Top of the fender matches up awesome to the top of the door. If you were looking for a unique classic car, I don't know how you can find anything any cooler than this. I mean, something that not everyone has. Feel the vinyl top. I mean, it's just kind of plush, isn't it?
Yeah.
How nice and soft that is. Back of the door lines up great there to the quarter panel. Over the wheel well is awesome. And just the styling of this rear quarter right here, and I'll get to it in just a little bit, with the wheel well trim. That's kind of the neatest part, I think, about the whole entire car.
Yeah, this car is like, it doesn't have to go to somebody that's specifically looking for one. I think anyone that walks in, especially kind of where this is going to be priced, it's like, I want it. I never would have dreamed about wanting to drive a...
Yeah, I came in for a freaking 69 Camaro, but you know what? For the money, I'll take this one.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
When I look in the trunk. Just the styling of it's kind of like way ahead of its time, kind of out of this world. I mean, just the F-85 emblem. We'll get to a few things here on the dash as well. Nice tires on it.
So he said the air ride stuff is
It's
like...
all right in there. Yep.
Yeah.
Inside here, beautiful spare tire, original. Even all the jack instructions and that air ride stuff. As soon as that pumps up, about a minute, and then it'll quiet and it'll shut right back down. We were jacking with it quite a bit there. Both sides are super straight. Both doors tuck in nicely over the wheel well. All looks good. And I love, like I said before, the chrome, how it comes down. I mean, you'd never be able to replace that chrome. I don't know if anyone would ever make that chrome, would they?
I don't know.
Good luck finding it, huh?
Lucky for the next guy, it looked brand new.
Windows. It's got the original rubber still on it, so you can see a little cracks in the window felts. Stainless is all good. A couple little micro scratches here and there, but the stainless and trim is great on it.
How cool.
Are you into lowriders, Justin, or not too much? Pretty cool, huh? How neat is it that we had 3 lowriders? We haven't had any lowriders for like years, and now we have 3 in the same month. Yeah. 63 Impala, 65 Buick, and this. So
I actually like this Cutlass. I think it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's probably one of my favorite cars on the lot right now. We have some badass ones, but this is just cool. So I don't think this is going to take this special guy to come buy it. I think anyone that sees it's going to want it.
Yep.
There we go. Interior, to me, is believed to be all original. Door jamb paint was redone. So they did do the door jamb paint. They didn't do underneath the trunk, and they didn't do underneath the hood. That's all original. Seats are in great shape, as I mentioned before. You can see that they're the original because this is stitching from right here is just pulled away. Not something you see at all in the seat until it's up. Both sides are like that, but it tells me that it is original. A headliner is just absolutely gorgeous in this little Cutlass. As far as what works and what don't work, we'll go through that here in just a little bit. Original radio definitely clicks and turns on. Let's see if we can get a station in here in a little bit. Lights up too. Heater fan works. It's got your generator, your oil, and temp light over there. 68,799 miles. Listen to that, D. Got static.
I think I remember when we drove it.
Hey, pull that antenna up, bud.
Yeah, I think when we
It's
drove
gonna
it,
work.
when we came in, it worked. But
I think it's
we're
gonna
in
work.
all steel building, so.
Here is something for our. Yeah. I don't know. Can't get much. Definitely get static. Let's see outside. Hey, this is nice, huh? This is your paint codes and stuff for it, exactly how to mix that paint. That's super important. Get your lug nut wrench, your original paint in here. Anyway, I absolutely love this one. I think it is going to make somebody a very happy customer, and it's going to be one that you pull up in a car show, and absolutely no one in this earth is going to have one like it.
Yeah, you're gonna fill your garage with trophies, I think, from this car.
You are. So anyway, check it out, coyoteclassics.com. Meanwhile, this thing will be looking good in my garage. Give us a call if you want it to look good in your garage.